Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use Leonardo AI's new image to motion feature. Let's get started. Leonardo AI has elevated image generation with its new image to motion feature, enabling users to transform their images into captivating videos. First, we navigate to the Leonardo website. After arriving at the site, we create a free user account. Once the account is created, we log in at the top of the site. Upon logging in, we can see the main Leonardo items listed, and the motion feature, marked with the word New, has been added to the site. In the Recent Creations section of the Leonardo platform, users can view the recent creations of other users. A new tab called Motion has been added here as well. Clicking on this tab displays all the works created with the Image to Motion service. To utilize this new service, we begin by generating an image. Next, we proceed to use the Image to Motion system. To start, I click on the image generation link, where we can generate desired images using prompts. I've prepared a prompt and will enter it into the text box. This prompt is pasted from the fine-tuned model section. After selecting the desired model for image generation, then, using the sliders, I adjust the image width and height. In this mode, the aspect ratio is automatically set to 16:9. Finally, after making these adjustments, I proceed with the registration process. In the free account, we are allocated 150 daily tokens that are replenished daily. With the settings I applied, the number of images for this generation is set to 3. Upon clicking the Generate button, some tokens are deducted from my credit. After a short time, the images are generated based on the provided prompt. By clicking on their thumbnails, I review the generated images. If they are not satisfactory, I can repeat the process again. The results can often be improved significantly, so, if needed, I click on the Generate button again to try generating better images. This concludes the image generation stage. Now, we have images that we can animate using the Image to Motion service. To animate the images generated in this stage, we need to navigate to the Personal Feed section. I click on the Personal Feed link from the left menu. In this section, there is a history of all the items we have generated. I select one of the images that we want to animate. A new button called Image to Motion is visible. I click on it. In this section, we have the motion strength item. This setting determines the amount of movement added to the original image. After adjusting the motion strength, I click on the Generate button again, and tokens are deducted from our credit. After completing this process, the result is visible both on the Personal Feed page and the Generate page. Next, I click on the View Generation button. This action redirects us to the Generate Images page. Here, the final result is ready as an MP4 video file. The new Image to Motion button is even visible on images that others have generated on the Leonardo website. This means that you can animate images created by others and bring them to life. To accomplish this, we navigate to the main page of the Leonardo website and visit the Recent Creations section and the Image Gallery, where images generated by others in public mode are displayed. We review the works of others, randomly select one, and click on it. As seen here, there is the Image to Motion button. I click on it on this page. Now, I can adjust the motion strength. After making adjustments, I click on the Generate button. This image becomes animated and appears on our Personal Feed page. In this way, you can animate your desired images on the Leonardo website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.